What's up guys, AK with DCC Train. In this video before final assembly I want to show you a few things, hopefully it will help. It's not everyday installation, especially that Locomotive discontinued. That's probably from 2010, original Fleischmann. So Rocco acquired Fleischmann and they kind of take away HO scale production. Now it's under Rocco, and I'm curious when they going to make that Locomotive again under Rocco brand. So it's Fleischmann and scale right now. What I did, I put sound decoder, rewire everything, will go over, and also replace bulbs with LEDs. Sometimes you guys asking me what's the complexity of installation. So I have a scale from 1 to 10. And this is solid 9. And I'm not kidding. Means it's not like million LEDs you need to solder or like 30 points of soldering or something. It's probably around, let me just roughly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 20 points I need to solder, maybe more, but that's not an object. The object is like how I need to figure out to make it with a sound, because it's ready for DCC, it's plug and play, but not for sound. Look here, the tender is completely out of space. Okay, because you need that weight. It's the motor in the tender, so it's driven from the tender. Okay. Finally, with Rocco speaker 10, 8, 8, 9, right here. See my finger? That's the model number, and that's the speaker. It's here in front of the boiler. But toughest part to change bulbs to LEDs. I still cannot imagine in old era DC you need to run that engine like crazy fast to see the bulbs glowing, and they will be really glowing. The bulbs like this, you know, they even small. Yeah, that's original bulbs. With DCC, yes, it's a little bit brighter. I really like idea, the Fleischmann idea. Rocco, I think they have similar idea. So it's a path from here. Sorry, let me move it a little bit this way. So there's like a transparent plastic path going right there. See my stylus? And I put 2 LEDs right there. So using original wire coming from the back of the of that assembly here for the 6-pin plug for the decoder. But that's another tough part. All original wires, not necessary, it's not on the track. All original wires from the tender to the 6-pin plug, they very stiff. Means they not bending. Anyway, I replaced them all because they broke in few places, and I cannot retrieve extra. So all new wires, Miniatronics, top of the line. So here's the speaker right there, and I'm going to show you. And the sound is good. You probably saw the short. We'll play sound one more time when it will be close with when it's assembled. That area, so the speaker right there, you see plastic part and metal part of sugar cube speaker. I'm not worried about the wires coming here. It will be like looking at the pipes. If I need to tell you, hey, look, like look at the under the boiler, the wires going. No, never mind. It will be perfectly fine. I did it a lot of times. All right, lights in the tender, relatively easy. You guys can laugh every time I'm saying easy. It's complicated. No, it's not. You just need to take those fixtures, and here's the path, and I glue LED directly, and it's perfectly distributing light here. Yeah. The only one thing, I need to very carefully solder those wires, but I will extend them and then see if they're not on the way anywhere here, but probably around that area. And that's how you're assembling. Also, plug and play, meaning I don't like that use plug and play. Ready for DCC or something. Yeah, decoder is 6-pin plug here, but you need to take 4 screws just to open that thing. Yeah, also I modified all wires inside, meaning all contacts, because originally they have those kind of flimsy, I should say, connecting to the motor, I believe, but that's history right now. Everything straight soldered with good Miniatronics wires. Well, let's play the sound real quick one more time. It's cool. So that will be close, that area on top of it, and the sound will be more like will bring more bass and sounds very loud, very nice. I don't want to move it, but I will do test video, of course. Oh, so good. Just going through different functions. Oh, it's a lot of good random sounds. Sometimes it's just sitting here and plays all those sounds randomly, and I'm very happy camper. All right, guys, thanks for your patience. Again, it takes me time just to figure out everything, and that's mostly time I'm spending just figure out the best way. Thank you for supporting business. It's a little bit loud. If you'd like to support channel, please join membership, or you can buy me a coffee. Link will be in the description in the comment line. Thank you very much. Have a good one. Enjoy your trains. Bye bye.